So this FDP is based on the smart manufacturing and digital transformation in Industry 4.0. This program is sponsored by AICT, which focuses on the thrust areas of manufacturing and Industry 4.0, aiming to bridge the gap between academia and industry through knowledge sharing and collaboration. First and foremost, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to AICT for their continuous support and vision in advancing technical education and empowering educators across the country. Their initiative have played a significant role in fostering innovation and excellence in academic institutions. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University, Gandhinagar, for providing an excellent platform and unwavering support to host such an impactful event. Additionally, I would like to acknowledge the departments of mathematics and mechanical engineering for their support and association with this FDP, which comes under the School of Technology at PDEU. This program is further enriched by the participation of 10 distinguished speakers from esteemed industries and academic institutions. We are privileged to have experts from the Institute of Plasma Research IPR, ATIRA Ahmedabad, University West, Trollhättan, Sweden, University of Naples, SAC ISRO Ahmedabad, SVNIT Surat, Sigma Weld, Electronics Devices Worldwide Private Limited, Namtech, PDEU Gandhinagar, and the Indian Institute of Management Bodh Gaya. Their wealth of knowledge and expertise will undoubtedly provide valuable insights and foster meaningful discussions over the next 6 days. Now, please allow me to take this opportunity to introduce a distinguished academician, an inspiring leader, and a visionary administrator, Professor Dhaval Pujara sir, the director of the School of Technology at Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University. Sir brings with him over 27 years of rich experience in teaching, mentoring, and academic administration. Throughout his remarkable career, he has played a pivotal role in driving academic excellence, fostering innovation, and ensuring social impact at PDEU and previously at Nirma University. An expert in antennas and RF engineering, Sir has supervised 6 PhD theses and over 25 master dissertations. His research contributions are reflected in numerous publications in esteemed journals and conferences. His dedication to advancing knowledge has earned him several prestigious accolades, including the US Fulbright Nehru Fellowship, the Ranjana Pal Memorial Award, and the Young Scientist Award by URSI. Beyond his technical expertise, Sir is also a passionate motivational speaker and a skilled soft skills trainer. He has touched countless lives by empowering students, educators, and professionals to realize their full potential and pursue their aspiration with confidence. We are indeed fortunate to have his leadership guiding the School of Technology towards new heights. May I now invite Professor Dhaval Pujara sir to address us and share a few words of encouragement. Sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Very good evening to all of you. At the outset, on behalf of the School of Technology, Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University, Gandhinagar, I welcome all the distinguished speakers, participants, my colleagues from the Department of Mathematics and Department of Mechanical Engineering, both the coordinators, Professor Vishwesh Badeka, Professor Manoj Shahni, the heads of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Jatin Patel, Dr. Poonam Mishra, all my faculty colleagues, and research scholar. In fact, this entire program is need of an hour. Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University has several centers of excellence. Additive manufacturing is one of them, and I must say that is a leading center of excellence at Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University. Under this additive manufacturing center of excellence, so far we have guided several PhDs, we have successfully completed several funded projects and numerous publications in high quality journals. Both the coordinators, Professor Vishwesh Badeka and Professor Manoj Shahni, are full professors and very dedicated and passionate teachers at the School of Technology. If I quickly give you the overview of Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University, it is one of the leading universities in the country and in fact the one and only energy university in the country. The university received NAC A++ accreditation. The Department of Mechanical Engineering got NBA accreditation. On an average, every year we come out with 800 plus Scopus Index papers. We have 16 centers of excellence, 250 plus patents, and 150 plus startups. In all, the focus of Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University is both academic and research excellence. We give a lot of importance to skill-based training programs. So far, under the Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence, we have trained more than 2,000 young students, graduates, research scholars, and professionals. I'm proud of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. It is a department having several experienced professors and at the same time very dynamic and young assistant professors. They are working together on several fronts, not only restricting their knowledge to academia, but at the same time contributing to research, student mentoring, organizing these kind of programs. If I just give you a few statistics, in the month of November and December, this is the sixth program, national level program that I am addressing. And in fact, in November and December, this is the third FDP that we are inaugurating. I know it is quite challenging to have this kind of program for the professionals, researchers, and teachers. But both the departments, that is Department of Mathematics, Department of Mechanical Engineering, took this initiative. From the bottom of my heart, I compliment both the departments, their heads, and importantly, both the faculty coordinators, Professor Vishwesh Badeka and Professor Manoj Shahani. As per the requirement of AICTE, this program should have at least 100 participants. I was told by Professor Badeka that we have reached a number of 150 for this particular program. That shows the initial success for the program, that shows the effectiveness of the program. And to make it effective, both the coordinators have worked hard, especially in identifying the speakers. I was told that we have 10 plus speakers from NITs, IITs. At the same time, from IIM Bodh Gaya also we have a speaker. We have several speakers from well-known R&D organizations and industry too. My compliments to both the organizers, both the faculty coordinators. Thanks are due to the management of Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the university, the heads of department, and equally, we would like to say thank you to AICTE for generously approving several FDPs for the School of Technology, Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University. I urge to all the delegates that every day we have 3 hours of sessions. Please take the fullest benefit of these sessions for next 6 days. For the convenience of all the delegates, we have planned all the sessions mostly on evening 6 to 9 so that you can participate, you can take part in discussion from your home also. I urge to all the delegates, take the fullest benefit, and at the end of the program, please share your valuable feedback to both the coordinators. Please remain in contact with the faculty members, the coordinators, the Department of Mechanical. We would like to collaborate with all the researchers. We are that way very flexible in collaborating with all active researchers across the country. I once again welcome all the delegates, all the participants, and once again thank AICTE, the management of PDEU, the departments, and especially Professor Vishwesh Badeka and Professor Manoj Sahni. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words. I think it will going to help all the delegates and for us also to conduct this FDP. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So moving ahead, it's my privilege to introduce another distinguished academician, Dr. Jatin Patel, sir, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University. Dr. Patel holds a PhD in Solar Thermal Energy from HNGU Patan, an MTech in Turbo Machines from SVNIT Surat, and BE in Mechanical Engineering from BVM Engineering College. With over 16 years of teaching and research experience, Dr. Patel has made significant contributions to academia and research.